Hello guys, you're welcome Rico Animation tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Ricotoon animations and get thousands of views or millions of views the easiest way. I'm going to be showing you the basics and the secrets behind Ricotoon animations, and it is the easiest way to create these animations. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to create one and get views and millions of subscribers. So we are going to go to Google and first download the Ricotoon app. This application is going to help you to create your own Ricotoon characters or even download them for free. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to Google and search for Ricotoon app. So after searching for Ricotoon application, as you see, there is a website called appcreator24.com. So you're going to click on this app creator. These other websites, they are not trusted. They may end up giving you a virus. So I'm going to click on this app creator 24, and this is the icon for the application, right? Make sure that you note that and you click on download APK. After downloading your Ricotoon application, this is the interface for Ricotoon app, and it will enable you download characters. You'll be able to download background as well as object. So let us start with the way how to download the characters. So you click on the characters, and as you can see, these are some of the examples of the characters which you can use to animate. So for me, I like this baboon character. I'll click on this character and click on one of the characters, right? So this is the way how this character looks, right? It's a baboon. So I will download all these images. So you long press on that image and click on save. Then you go back, press on the next image, then long press and save. So I will save all these images. I will save all these images. What you do, you tap on the image and save. So that's the way how we download the images. You will download all these images, or if you want, you can also press on another image and download these images. It is very easy like that. You just tap on the image and click on save. Easiest way we download this Ricotoon characters, and it is very amazing, very easy like that. That's how we do it. And some of these images have the limp sync, right? So you can use the limp sync for this, and you download this limp sync, use it in your animation, easy like that. So let us go and see how to download the objects, right? So there are a lot of objects in Ricotoon animation. There are a lot of objects, the TVs, the whiteboard. So you can download these images the same way. You just press on that image and you download it. As you can see, there is when the TV is looking the other side and when the TV is looking this side. So you can also press on that image, then long press and save. That's the easiest way how to download this. It is very cheap, like counting ABC. So let us see how to download the background. This one has a special way. When you click on background, it will direct you to 2D animation background on your Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. So what you're going to do for me, you will install this 2D animation background. So after installing that one, you click on it, or click on this application, and mind you, it has a lot of backgrounds for you. It has a lot of backgrounds. So as you can see, we have a lot of backgrounds that you can download and you can search for your animation. So for me, I like a house. I'll just download one of these houses. If you want a bedroom, so the same way, you long press and save. The easiest tool. So we are going on how to animate Rico Animations. We have seen how to download the background, the objects, as well as characters. Now, how can we animate these backgrounds and characters as well as objects? So Rico uses an application called flipaclip, and it is a free software to use, and you can use this application to animate, as you can hear, and it is completely for free. There is no subscription that is needed. So you'll open this software for flipaclip. It is very easy to animate on flipaclip. Right now, you're going to click on a plus sign to add a project, and this is where the real deal is. First of all, you first name your project, so I'll call it Rico Animations. After naming your project, you'll choose canvas size. Canvas size, it means how will your video be represented. Will it be represented like on TikTok, on YouTube, Instagram? So if you are making a video to post on TikTok or as a YouTube short, I recommend you to use TikTok. But if you are making a video to be used on YouTube, I recommend you to use YouTube, right? Then for the case of frames per second, it actually means how many frames should make a second. If you want 12 frames to make a second, you choose 12 frames. But the secret about this is that when you make more frames per second, meaning you will create a lot, you will be required to make a lot of frames to make one. So we can choose the background color, and we can click on that and choose the Rico background color. I think it's this one, so we shall choose that, and we shall create project, right? So this is our animation interface, and I would like you to really note this. And flipaclip is a friendly app to use. So we have a pencil, and you can draw the way you want, right? You can draw any shape the way you want. We have a rubber. After drawing, you can rub your, if you have made a mistake, you can rub the way you want. I will not go deep, and mind you, on case of color or pencil, you can change the pencil to any color that you want. So if I want red, I can change it to red, and I make my drawing. Rubber, we have talked about it. I can rub, maybe I've made some mistake, I'll rub just like that. Then this one is called a lasso tool. A lasso tool is used to select a given object and move it. You see, it can even select part of the object and move it. So this is the way how a lasso tool works. It's very easy to use. And we have this one is used for coloring. So if I turn it on and I color, so you see, it becomes blue, right? So if I choose black, I can color it the way you want. Flipaclip is a very nice application. So I can redo and undo from here. I can copy and paste. Copy and paste. So I can copy this. I'll select this, copy it and paste. So you find that I have 2. I can paste again. You find that I have 3. I can paste again. You find that I have 4. Just like that. It's very easy like that and very, very interesting. So we must learn how to add frames. So by clicking on this plus sign, I can add frames, new frames always. And that one is very easy like that. So we have where we add layers from. We can add a layer. Now we are going into how to animate Rico Annimation. First of all, we are going to first learn how to add the character. So you click on those 3. Then say add my first image. And this is my first image when the cartoons are facing each other, right? My second frame, I'll add another image when they are stretching the hand. On another frame, I'll add another image when it's raising the hand. On my another frame, I'll add the image when it is raising the hand. And I told you it is a frame to frame, right? Another image, I'll add this. So let us play and see. You see? It's just an addition of frame to frame, and you get the results. So it is raising the hand and going to slap, right? You see? That's how Rico does his things. But this is not a fancy application, but let me show you how to remodel his characters. So you are going to add an image. Like this. As you can see, this is the image that we have downloaded. So to remodel it, you'll erase parts of this image. You'll erase these parts of the image. So I want to use this character for other things, right? So I'll select this image and reverse it, right? And reduce on the size of the image, and I can draw, right? I can draw. I use a black pen, turn on the red, so I'm going to select the black pencil and reduce this size to 5 favorably. So I'm going to draw. I want to remodel this character and use it for other animations. So that's how I'll do it. Then after, I'll add the legs. That's how we remodel. and you use it for other animations. I use this character for other animations. You see? And that's how we remodel these characters. And you find that the same character, I'm using it for other animations. And that's how it will be. So if you have not yet subscribed, but in the next video I'm going to show you how to really animate these characters and add the music. I have a lot, I cannot expose them in the same video. So do what, subscribe, like this video, and comment. Thanks.